Welcome aboard this ASC Airlines flight to London, England. If we land in water, there is a light ring. If you can't breathe, oxygen masks will fall from right over you. If the oxygen masks don't work, well then you're We hope you enjoy your flight with ASC Airlines. We will take off in a few seconds.
Wow, what an awesome view.
Any snacks or refreshments?
I'll have a Thunder Bar and the Tempest Cola.
I'll have a hot chocolate and a Tempest dog.
Do you have any French fries?
Hey, that's my thing.
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll have some to share with my mom.
Sounds good.
Hey, what do you say? Attention, we have now landed in London, England. Okay, now to get to our hotel. Okay, this is our stop. Everybody off. Alright. Here we are. The Klaxon Thames.
Cool. This looks nice.
Now to take the elevator. Or lift, as they call it here.
What is our floor?
12.
Okay.
So our room is room 1233.
I see it. It's over there.
Whoa. What a freaking awesome room.
OMG, there is a balcony. This is a million times awesome.
These beds are comfortable as heaven. And I should know. Since I killed myself and got resurrected. LOLJK.
What's this? Oh my god. It's a siren wash.
Holy frickity dog. I wanna try it. This is so relaxing. It tickles a little bit, but that's fine.
Cool. There is a large desk that I can play Minecraft on. Oh shoot. Low battery. Gotta plug this sucker in. Huh? What the is this outlet?
That's what British outlets look like. They also use a different voltage and frequency than back in the United States. In the US, they use 120 volts AC at 60 Hz. But in the UK, they use 240 volts AC at 50 Hz.
Oh, that must be room service.
Here is what you ordered, a pepperoni pizza, and some Carter crisps. Enjoy.
Awesome. A pepperoni pizza.
Ooh. Potato chips. Or crisps, as they call them here. Well, thank God 2810 isn't here. Hey. What do you say? Excuse me? That's it. Huh? Oh, God.